Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Terawulf Inc. Terawulf Inc. is having a strong up day. The key question is whether momentum can hold. Today, the stock is gained by 11.0% and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 9 and 50-day EMAs, but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor holds, while short and medium-term pressure persists. There is a downward gap between $13.89 and $13.92 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 13.5% rise from here. A rising trendline still acts as support near $4.29. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $14.35. Between the mid-term and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $16.19. Price has already reached its long-term objective once and is now in a pullback phase. If buyers step back in around this retracement area, the upside sequence to watch is $16.54, long-term target, then $21.01, 1.618 extension. Then $28.25, 2.618 extension. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 3 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, prior high cleared, and EMA 50 reclaimed, volume above 120% of the 20-day average still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 70 to 130 sessions, or roughly 20.0 weeks. Invalidation sits near $10.60 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between July 23 and August 14, the price saw an increase of around 67.5%. From a long-term perspective, price is now trading above the long-term resistance zone, which makes a continuation of the trend more likely. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading above the 78%, see 11.98, Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 13.06 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 18.80, Fib 1.27, and then 21.04, Fib 1.62. Looking at Terawulf Inc. today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 45.5, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $14.35. If price manages to close above $14.35 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $10.60, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. After reaching the measured objective, price is in a pullback phase and working through a retracement area. If buyers manage to defend the retracement zone, an upside path to monitor is $16.54. Long-term target $21.01, 1.618 extension, $28.25 extension, 2.618. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $12.45, support near $11.92. A mid-term target around $14.35. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Terawulf Inc. The most recent headline is WLF stock oversold or undervalued, quarterly earnings summary and safe entry zone identification. That wraps up this technical analysis on Terawulf Inc. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.